So one of the classics in the race today. So there's a yacht class, fast smacks. We're not quite so fast smacks, aren't we? Rather than yeah. Are we? We're the not quite so fast smacks, and then it's slow smacks and bawlies last. So a few classics out here today. Get some more film when a few more emerge. We're coming up on the barge. I'll get some pictures of that in a minute. So that's our start line ahead, just over to the left of Yum there.
There's one more tail tie on that end.